In this lesson, we'll be looking at some simple finals. This is a table of all the finals. The top ones are the simple finals. You might think this is too much to learn, but don't worry because most of them just the combination of these simple finals. Once you learn the top ones, the rest is easy. So in this lesson, we'll be covering these 6 simple finals. The first one is ah, like the ah in 爸爸. We have learned tones in our last lesson, so can you tell me which tone this is? So it is the 4th tone, like when you say no. Now read after me, ah, 爸爸. The next one is o. It's kind of like the AW sound in awesome. O. If you add the second tone, o, you can use this to express doubts, like when you say, really? Now read after me, 跟我读 o, o. This one is It's like the UH sound. And how do you pronounce it in second tone? It is It's like when you say 我. 跟我读鹅 means goose in Chinese. There is a poem in Chinese about goose. It's everyone's childhood in China, and the poet wrote it when he was only 7. I'll read it to you while you have a look at the meaning of it. 鹅鹅鹅，曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波. Now let's move on to the next one. This one is pronounced E. It's like the EE sound in B. E. Ni. This is a 3rd tone. Ni. It's like the zombie voice. Ni. It means you. 跟我读, read after me. E. Ni. And this one is wu. It's like the double O sound in cool. Wu. Du. This is 2nd tone, like what? Du. Okay, 跟我读. So read after me. Wu. Du.